Welcome. Today we will present the installation of the Smartpass Porto Smart Lock. Check that the package includes the battery, the key, the screws, the square bar, the door sensor, the smart lock, and the seal. It may be necessary to drill additional holes in the door, approximately 2 centimeters in diameter. Prepare the connecting nut and place the gasket on the handle. Secure the connecting nut onto the lock. The Porto Smart Lock operates the door bolt using the lock cylinder. Place the front plate of the smart lock on the door. The connecting nut and cable will pass through the top hole, the square bar through the middle hole, and the lower connecting nut of the smart lock through the bottom hole. Connect the cables together, then place the internal part of the smart lock on the door, and secure it with screws. Place the battery into its slot, then put the cover onto the battery housing. Congratulations! You've successfully installed the Porto Smart Lock from Smartpass.